The largest recorded earthquake in history occurred in Chile in 1960, with a magnitude of 9.5. It is known as the Great Chilean Earthquake. The fastest seismic waves an earthquake produces are called primary waves or P waves. They can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. Earthquakes can happen on land and underwater. Most of Earth's earthquakes occur along tectonic plate boundaries under the ocean. The Ring of Fire is a major area in the Pacific Ocean basin where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur.